minutes?
5
minutes. So maybe we can entertain one question only before I hand over the floor to the... Okay, you please.
My name is Sufi Lagari. I'm originally from Sindh. I have a question and comments and recommendation. Sindh is suffering more than any other province, not only because of climate change, but corruption, negligence, and inefficiency of Pakistan People's Party, which they have ruled 14 years continuously. And I walk from New York to Washington, 350 miles. I walked last year, and I walked 2021, 424 kilometers from Toronto to Ottawa against the climate change and for the human rights. Pakistan People's